The doors adjust automatically without the need for manual intervention.
Thanks to the detailed fault message, I know exactly what to expect.
That is absolutely essential and of great importance.
At the Freiham Sports Park, we have many automatic doors to ensure access for all.
2 large sports halls, a swimming pool. A challenging project. The Freiham Sports Park is a flagship project for the city of Munich.
The day here starts at 8 o'clock when school begins. Most of the halls are fully booked until 5 p.m. After that, the clubs take over seamlessly until 11 p.m. From 11 p.m., cleaning takes place until 1 a.m. and then the facility sleeps for a few hours before it all starts over again. Our main concern was the large number of students moving through the halls. We have 3,000 students on campus, so the doors aren't just left open. The students have to gather at a specific time and are then led into the halls directly by their teachers.
The variety of scenarios, school, training, events, cannot be managed safely without smart networking.
The doors must open and close safely, reliably, and without barriers.
All GEZE components here at the sports park are connected to our myGEZE control system and thus networked. With myGEZE control, we monitor and control all relevant doors centrally. The interface shows immediately what is happening in the building.
After 5 p.m., there is no one left on site. In the past, if a door fails or something like that, I might have had to pop over in the evening to see what's going on. I usually try to fix it myself. If it doesn't work, I'll call GEZE to sort it out.
If a fault occurs, the customer receives it in plain text. We can see much more clearly what is actually happening remotely in real time. This allows us to react specifically. It saves time and unnecessary travel.
With these 2 cores, you can receive up to 80 pieces of information per drive on myGEZE control. Our standard products simply require a small additional circuit board to connect them.
Everything runs smoothly for the users, around the clock, whether for school, training, or events.
This is a completely self-sufficient facility. The underground car park is open until 8:30 p.m. That means not just the athletes, but also visitors are allowed to drive in. And then there are a few hundred cars down there. To ensure that everything works reasonably well, it is important that the access doors to the halls are secured and only those who are allowed can enter.
If a game takes place on the weekend, the system opens even without access authorization. Thinking of building security, we switch back to normal operation after a defined period of time, and only authorized persons get into the building.
If the inner door is closed, then no one can get in anymore.
The most common malfunctions are caused by users. If a fault persists for more than 10 minutes, the operator and GEZE's back office team receive an email about the malfunction.
If a bin or a sports bag had been placed more or less like a wedge between the doors, there was nothing we could do about it. We're now receiving a message via the building automation control system that the door is jammed.
As soon as this message arrives, we decide whether we need to head out.
And that is, of course, helpful. We didn't have any of that before.
This allows the fault to be resolved in the shortest possible time.
The Freiham Sports Park is a future-oriented project that can be easily applied to other municipal buildings.
We feel that you can go to bed in peace at night and don't always have to worry that something happens here that shouldn't happen.
A technically demanding facility where modern door automation and service work together.
And after completion, our service team will continue to be available to you.